with my children, Lennox and Logan, to show you how to make smoothie bowls at home. Smoothie bowls are the perfect treat to help you cool off in the summer heat while getting children involved in the kitchen. All you need are a blender, fruit, yogurt, ice cubes, and some toppings. Lennox, do you have our recipe?
Yeah.
Where is it? Okay, so what do we need? We need
Blueberries, strawberries, yogurt, ice, and honey, and toppings.
and then what are we going to put it in?
The blender!
Bringing children into the kitchen not only allows you to bond, but also provides a chance for your children to practice reading recipes, measure ingredients, and learn about nutrition and healthy eating. For our smoothie base, we will be adding half a cup of blueberries, half a cup of strawberries, a quarter cup of vanilla yogurt, and half a cup of ice cubes into the blender. You may also add some honey to taste. We are adding 2 teaspoons today.
Okay.
No, it needs to be full. Sometimes they might want to take a taste halfway through. Now it's time to blend it all together. All right, so now it's time to pour it into 2 bowls for you.
Strawberry. What's that? Are you soft?
So now what do we get to do next?
Topping!
So what are you going to pick to put on your smoothie bowl? The best part about smoothie bowls are that anyone can truly make them their own. You can choose to substitute your favorite fruits, vegetables, and toppings, or use it as an opportunity to try something new. Hey, show me your bowls! Yay!
I'm feeling.
For toppings, we used granola, sunflower seeds, sliced bananas, chia seeds, shredded coconut, and some more blueberries and strawberries. Smoothies are also a great way to teach children about preventing food waste. If you see any fruit that looks like it's going past its prime, this is an opportunity to freeze it to be blended later into a smoothie. What do you think of the smoothie bowls? Are they yummy?
Yeah. Yeah, super young like a superhero.
We hope that you try and enjoy this recipe at home. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.